Hi, I'm taking you through the Food System Solution Platform project that was implemented by Slow Food Uganda in Buyikwe district. This project ran for 4 years since 2016 and it ended in August 2020. This was realized with funding support from HIVOS and IIED under the Sustainable Diets for All program. Through its initiatives like the Food Parliament, the project realized a number of noticeable outcomes and citizens' practice change for improved food and nutrition security within the district. The project has been important for the citizens to share ideas around common food-related interests through a multi-stakeholder initiative called the Food Parliament. The Food Parliament is an informal organizational structure that brings people to talk and share with the leaders on issues of food and nutrition within their community. The initiative is key in linking the citizens with the local government to discuss food-related issues, and it is important in harnessing the citizens' voices as well as building their capacity and confidence to talk and discuss with their leaders. This initiative has led to the project's success in its main objective of creating an enabling legal and policy environment for increased production and consumption of diverse indigenous food and vegetables for low-income citizens within Buyikwe district. This has been realized through the three main objectives the project has been working to achieve. The first objective was to increase a legal and policy was to influence a legal and policy framework towards better and healthy diets within the district. The second one was to increase consumption of diverse, healthy and nutritious food among key population, including women, men and youth in Buyikwe district. And the last one was to increase production of diverse, healthy food in rural and urban and peri-urban areas respectful to biodiversity. While some of the targets were challenging to achieve, a favorable legal framework for increased production and consumption of nutritious and indigenous food has been created with the citizens actively involved through advocacy initiatives like the Food Parliament. This in particular resulted into the drafting and passing of the Buyikwe District Food, Nutrition and Environment Management Ordinance 2019, which was realized with a range of stakeholders involved. The ordinance was approved and passed by the Buyikwe District Council in March 2020. This ordinance will largely focus on the increasing cases of monoculture practices where sugarcane production is rapidly replacing food and tree production, which is a threat to biodiversity, nutrition, and environment within the district. Additionally, 40 food communities were organized into well-established groups, and these groups have been able to establish 6 community seed banks for indigenous and local seeds and exchange with the fellow farmers for the purposes of increasing the availability of diverse foods in the district, as well as preserving biodiversity and preserving the local seeds. As I conclude, I have realized that such initiatives are significant in achieving timely advocacy outcomes, and I call upon all the slow food networks to apply them in their work for effectiveness in influencing policies and practices in their communities. As Slow Food Uganda, we are thankful to HIVOS and IIED for the sincere funding support and also continuous capacity building that has led us realize the outcomes achieved. The project has ended, but the initiatives are ongoing, and we are working to spread this in the entire districts where Slow Food Uganda is actively involved. Thank you.